Roggy D, back at it again with the BRZ. It's been a while since I've driven it. Gotta replace these 3 wheel studs. These 2 were just stuck on there. But yeah, I got 3 new studs, Dorman studs from AutoZone, because these 2 snapped off. Make sure we get it. Loud car in the distance, okay. Come on, it's close. There we go. Wow, 1 in. Let me just take this off. Really needed this. It's not perfectly in still. I don't know if you can see on video, yeah, it's really hard to show. Right there. It's not all the way in. Let's get it in. That's in. We got 1 stud in. 2 more to go, and then we can drive this car. I just gotta go get lug nuts. Perfect, so you really need this. You know, I don't have any washers. I was like, might as well just buy it instead of using buying washers. There's 2 more, and then I gotta walk. I'll probably just walk to Advanced Auto Parts, and just because I need lug nuts to really drive this car. But to install the other 2 studs, pull them in with the installer tool, impact, other way. And yeah, and then I'm probably just about to walk to Advanced Auto Parts instead of AutoZone, it's closer. See if they have the same open end or any lug nuts that fit this car. 12 by 125. That's in. Wow. Yep, that's just the grease. There we go. Wow, that's easy. This tool makes things a breeze, a whole lot easier. I couldn't use 2 lug nuts. I don't have washers. This thing got 2 in. There we go. All the way in. Ow, ow, come on. And there we go. I just got 1 left. Last one. Swing a bit. Get the last stud in from the back. Nope, forward. Boom. Last one. Boom. There we go. 2 original studs. And yeah, now I didn't need these 2 bolts right here to actually stud installer tool. Get it on Amazon. I found it at Advanced Auto Parts near me. $40 worth it. And that's it. Time to pop the rotor on, caliper back on, tighten the 2 bolts. Put the wheel on, but then I got no lug nuts. Time to walk to Advanced Auto Parts. It's the closest place they'll have lug nuts. Just get it. It's the last one, always. I got the last wheel stud installer, and I got the last one of these. For now, I mean, last one on the rack. Top one in, top bolt from the bottom. There we go. Three new studs. Pop the rotor back on. Caliper in there good. Time to just put both the rear wheels on and take it for a drive and get my genuine reaction in my car after like a month of it just sitting, but did it. Let's drive it. Alright. Let the car down. Going for a drive. Just get some food. Clutch in. I don't know why I have to clutch in for the handbrake, but I forgot it was in neutral. Jesus. Just been in the. It's been on the jack stands for so long in the garage that third, fourth, fifth. Boom. Yeah. In Japan, son. We about to get some interior goodies. We're gonna take this off, Froggy D. Yep. Here we go. New wheel studs, new lug nuts. Nice burbles. Heck yeah. Oh, I got a full tank. I forgot. I had a full tank before I snapped the studs. Woo! Just getting some food. I don't know why I upshifted to fourth. Go back down to third. Boom. Second. Back in the BRZ. Feeling free, all smiles, gave it the beans. Camaro, first, second, third, who's honking? Jesus. People always about to get in a wreck here. Let's go. Getting some food. You know where we at. Checkers, man. Woo! Got the food. They didn't have any fried mushrooms, so I just got a deep sea double. Woo! Oh my god, no traction. Did a little skid, barely went sideways. Let's go. I don't know why this guy behind me just honked. The light just turned green, you know. The little Bronco, woo, little slide.